There comes a time when I won't belong.
Hi, this is Dina with Pretty Productive. Welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is a plan with me from Monday, February 7th through the 13th in my Hobonichi cousin. So I did lay a few things down just because I tend to forget to do certain things. So I went ahead and laid down two things that I didn't want to forget. One is my son-in-law's birthday. Second is a Zoom call we have with our financial planner. And then I did go ahead and put some deco on the pages just because I was kind of playing around with some different colors that I wanted to use for this plan with me. So those are down. So I'm gonna start with the planner spot kit from February. So part of this is February from this year and part is February from last year because I ordered them on her Black Friday sale. This is actually the kit for this year. It's really pretty, so I'm going to be using part of that. And then of course Tombow's $9.92 and $8.50. I have really just been loving this pink color of $8.50. So we're going to be using those. I am going to be using my Uni-Jetstream Ballpoint pen in .38. I got this one from Jet Pens. Then I've kind of grabbed some different stickers, my column headers, as well as some of the clear washi. And then these I've already used, some boxes, some dots, and then some assorted stickers, which you probably see every time I do a plan with me. These are my favorites or my go-tos. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the washi. And I've been super excited to use this one. It's really pretty. Kind of looks like the Louis Vuitton pattern. And then, of course, my slice tool. I don't think I can, no, I'm definitely gonna have to use slice tool. So how are you all doing? How is your February going? Mine has been very eventful. So I had my dad back in the hospital last week. Went over there on Wednesday because he felt like he almost fell. He kind of fell, but he caught himself. And then we took him to the doctor the next morning. They put him right into the hospital. He went in Thursday morning. I stayed with him until 8 that night, and then they allowed him to go home the next day. So because I was working, my sister went and picked him up. It is so nice having more than one of us trying to take care of these things. And he is feeling much better, which is great. Okay, so just kind of take a step back on the sidebar. I went ahead and used the Happy Mail Planner Love. I actually don't have any Happy Mail coming, but I do have Planner Love, so I'm going to use that there. And then on my bottom one, I'm going to use, I actually think I'm going to save that one. I'm going to use the white one. So the only meals I'll have this week, because we are going on vacation, will be Monday through Wednesday, and then from Thursday through Thursday through Sunday, we will be out of town, coming home on Monday. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our headers in. I always go back to last week just so you can see how this worked out. So I did start cleaning my Etsy office on Monday. I went and picked up the furniture from Michael's. I worked on Tuesday, and then Wednesday the Olympics started, so of course I had to sit down and watch that. I was working on putting the furniture together when I got a call at about 3 o'clock. I went over to my sister's house to see how my dad was doing, went and picked up food for my dad and my husband, and then came home and promptly went to sleep. Thursday, I took him to, he had a virtual doctor's appointment in the morning, and then instead of blood work, we took him to the doctor's, and then I spent from 9 until 8 p.m. at the hospital, so obviously nothing else got done. I worked Friday, Saturday, and then this morning, which is Sunday the 6th, I did get up this morning, finish putting the rest of the furniture together, and have everything moved in here. I'm still trying to figure out where some things are gonna fit because while the room is a lot cleaner and a lot more organized, there's a lot of stuff that really do not belong here, but we'll see how that goes. So these Etsy ones I will probably move over. Tax prep is my focus for tonight. I don't really have anything else to do that I need to do tonight, so I'm gonna start working on taxes. So that takes us to this week, and I am going to draw my lines at the 2200 hour. I just keep trying to move them so they don't, doesn't get thick right here and doesn't bleed through. So I did get a lot done last week, but obviously not everything that I thought I was gonna get done. I am caught up with Etsy orders, so that is a good feeling. But I did not get the cleaning and all that stuff done that I wanted to do. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put my dots on the dates. That just helps them to pop out a little bit at me. Sometimes it kind of all blends in together. Okay, so those are just highlighted. Oh, that one's way off. We're gonna go with it. Let me see if I can get it off. There's a little window of time with a translucent sticker and Hobonichi paper. You don't have a very big window, but you have a little bit of a window. I'm gonna leave that one on there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead first and put in my column headers. And I'm trying to use up some of my mixed sheets before I start on the one. So I have the ones that are mixed for like 3 weeks together, and then I did separate them into their own sheets. So I just kind of want to finish these up first. And probably in about 3 minutes, my daughter's dog is going to start barking at me because he wants to go out. I'm not working this week, so I don't need to worry about that. One moment, let me go let him out. Be right back. Okay, sorry about that. He starts to gear up and then he just starts barking at me, so it's just easier to take him out, and I put him in with my husband so that he will let me finish up in here. Okay, so to buy, errands, to call, to do. Why do I not have a to do on there? Okay, so go to this one. Oh wait, I have one on this one. Okay, so these aren't going to be my headers for this week. I already know. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it that way. Okay, I need to finish my son-in-law's gift. I need to pack. I need to pay bills. I need shoes for my trip. And jeans. Errands, I need to return some of the furniture that I bought for Michael's. I need to call the director at the memory care about visits. They're supposed to have a decision on Monday. We do bathrooms. You do trash. And I need to finish the kitchen. And then meals for Monday is going to be turkey lettuce wraps. And Tuesday is barbecue chicken flatbread. So these two are HelloFresh meals that I have. And then Wednesday will be a Cobb salad. And then we go on vacation. And then all bets are off on what meals are gonna be. So I wanna go ahead and return the items on Monday. And I tried to be more organized with my stickers, but obviously they are not organized yet. I also need to wash my car really bad. So I'm going to put wash car. Actually, I think I'll do that the day before we leave. So it's really clean. And then, oh wait. I have an appointment with my dad at 8:45 to get blood work done. Move wash car to Tuesday. Gas car. I need to pack. And then my daughter is going to clean on Saturday. I need to leave her a list and money. Okay. We are going to the concert at 8 o'clock on Saturday night. And then we are leaving on Thursday. I don't know what time. Let's put here. Okay, so Monday I really want to get all the things I thought I was going to get done last week. I have a stack of envelopes that need to be made and finished. I still need to get my listings finished. So I really just want to take Monday as an Etsy day. So, work on shop. And then Tuesday, I'm hoping to go see my mom. I hope that they allow us. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule it in. And then if maybe nothing else, I'll go drop some food off for her. So just so she knows we're thinking about her. Let's see here. I still have not heard on the medical bills. Their supervisor, and I say that in quotes, supervisor, supposed to call me back. She has not called me back. I don't know if I should just pay the bill or if I shouldn't pay the bill. Cigna's saying they already paid it, don't pay it. But I hate having it out there and just in front of my face. I need to finish with the tax prep. I'm only missing, I think 2 W-2s. I think everything else I've got. So, and all our mortgage statements, all that kind of fun stuff. So I just want to get that done. My target is always March 1st to have everything sent to the tax accountant. So I've still got a little bit of time, but I know that I'm going to come back from being gone and I'm going to be working a lot for the end of the month. So I just want it done. I hate doing taxes. Sunday is the Super Bowl, so we are going to watch it. I have been in Vegas before during a Super Bowl, and it's crazy. So I'm hoping that we just watch it in our room and we don't try to go anywhere. I think it's like in the evening. I would like to watch it though. So Rams versus Bengals. I just always hope it's not a blowout. You know, I hate those games where it's just really lopsided. So all of the playoff games were so good that hopefully the Super Bowl will be as well. And I think that is it. I always remember 10 things when I get off, when I turn the camera off and try to clean up my desk, and I remember things. So for right now, that looks like it's the main things I need to do. Now I'll take all of this information, transfer it into my weeks, my Hobonichi weeks, and that is my on-the-go planner, and I just take my to-do list, put it in there, and just cross off things as things get done. So I think that's it. So let me know if you have any questions. I will put any supplies that I use or colors I used down in the description box, just so you know what they are. And I hope you have a great week next week, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.
If you should take me